Good morning to all of you. So let's start on today's sessions. Today we'll discuss about the concept Tableau. And first of all, you should know what is Tableau and why you are using Tableau. We are having Excel, we are having SPSS, we are having January. Lot of softwares are available. But why the organizations and research scholars interested to know use the Tableau? First of all, is find out insights within data, from the data, and with the help of that, you can make your decisions. Today we'll discuss about the most important topic, that is how to analyze your data through visualization. And I have divided the whole session into different paragraphs. First, we'll discuss about cross-section data. Then we'll discuss about time series data. Then we'll explain geographical data. Okay. Then you will prepare the dashboard and how to publish dashboard within your community, and how to publish in your report. If time permits, then I can go for the descriptive analysis if you have some time. But one thing you should remember, first period session, so to talk about cross-section and time series with help of one data set. Then third period, we'll discuss about geographical data. Third period means because every session will 2 hours. First 2 hours talk about cross-section and time series. Third hour we'll talk about geographical. And the last hour, whatever you learn, that will apply into two HR data to find out the insights. Okay. Now HR data is we're having HR data is very small in number, so it is very difficult for us to analyze each and everything. But we have to apply the concept in the last period to understand the insights from HR data through Tableau. So these are the different charts we have to discuss and we have to prepare. Some are the bar diagram, histogram diagram, geographical chart, the map, heat map. Okay. Then we are having the line. Okay. So number of charts. So when we have combined different charts and diagram into one particular window dashboard. Okay. The objective of this Tableau is to develop chart and diagram first based upon some objective in your mind. Then you combine the different charts and diagram and prepare a story. So the main crux of this Tableau is to prepare a story on basis of some results. So those who do not know Excel and do not know how to design a diagram and pivot table, for them it is very easy. And I say that most of HR people, if you're using this software, your efficiency will be increased. So you know that analytics is based upon visualization and analysis is based upon estimation. Today we have to visualize the data through some charts and diagram. We'll explain that one. Before that, there are different other 15 visualization tools are available. Some are free, some are paid, but all 15s are using by organization. And the most popular visualization tool is Tableau. But before Tableau, we should also know what are other software is available for visualization. And I know and I train all the tools as far. One is called diagrams. I have seen this diagram is used for the time series analysis. Those in finance and they're doing HR in the time series, they can use the diagrams with JavaScript. There is called Jing charts. This is also a visualization charts. It's talk about the geographical analysis and the cross-section analysis. There is called Instant Atlas. So this software is talk about geographical analysis. Suppose what happened, we are analyzing the political report, or you can say that result of elections of last 50 countries, last election of 50 countries. So we have all the information about the country and their information. You can use that information. If you use Instant Atlas, then you can do the visualization. So this is the geographical visualization chart people are using for their organizations. This timeline chart is very popular in media industry. What happened when suppose we are having a lot of videos, okay, and I want to know how many times Modi said Shehzada. I hope you know Shehzada because Modi number of times explained Shehzada. So last election, I have all the videos, and I want to know when he said Shehzada, when he talk about growth, when he talk about development, and where and how much time it taken. So if I put all the videos in this software, automatically I can find out different variables, what I have said, times, location, like this. This is called timeline chart. So those are interested in qualitative analysis, or you can go for interview-based method. you can go for timeline charts. These are exhibits. This is image versus the geographical. You can apply for visualizations. This is modest map. That is again the geographical locations. For example, I want to know, आपने देखा होगा कि ट्रैफिक कहाँ पर जाम हो रहा है, कहाँ पर ट्रैफिक क्लियर हो रहा है, रेलवे का ट्रैक कैसे आ रहा है. So they are using the modest map to understand the geographical locations. Leaflet, this is useful. I hope you know the. अगर image को देख के बता सकते हो कि हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं. Again, we are using for the location analysis. This is mathematical visualization chart, alpha from alpha. So why I am saying all these things? Because Tableau is not only one. There are a lot of visualization tools are available. Some are free and some are paid, but using for different purposes. But Tableau you can use for all the purposes. You can go for geographical, you can go for time series, you can go for cross section, or you can analyze the forecasting also. That's why most of organizations and most researchers using Tableau. I will not take there is another software called visualization free. Again, geographical visualization chart. This is called word blocks. This is most popular after Tableau. This is called fusion charts. Now see the whatever we will do in the Tableau, the same thing we can explain through fusion charts. Okay, based upon some these all are called intelligence software, BI software, business intelligence software. Now there is so high charts. I don't spend much more time on this. These are different charts available. So now I will give this all the details into the PPT. अगर आप PPT में यहाँ click करोगे, you are directly going to that particular website and you can download the software. So what I know all this visualization software as of now. I prepared training and I also learned this. I disseminate this through different training, and I also using this software for different research purposes. So what I am here to explain about one concept is called Tableau. Tableau is a business intelligence software. If you see all this visualization chart, Tableau is the leader. Okay, followed by Quick, Microsoft. Then you go for SaaS stuff. But Tableau is the leader. Okay, in terms of all the visualization charts. That's why a lot of training is given in the Tableau. I will take only 5 minutes for theory. Then I will start the concept. It is a great visualizations. It's a BI software. BI means business intelligence. It's easy to use and it's very fast. So it helps us to develop the tree map and the regression lines, then all the cross sections in the table and all the different types of line chart, time chart, all things, all those diagram and graphs you can prepare in the table. Now, other than that, it is an old one. Today we are having the software version is called Tableau 20.0. I hope everybody downloaded 20.1. So it started in 1991 by 3 professors, Chris, Pat, and Chabot. They have developed in thesis in their work. Then in 2005, they have used the first desktop version. Okay, that is called 1.0. Then like this, they have grown. Today we are having Tableau 20.1, which is a leading software in business and software, or you can say that visualization software in the world. So this is based upon, this is called one language called VisualQuery. That is called Visual Query language. This software is based upon Visual Query language. Please remember. And another thing is that we have different modules on that. One is called desktop. Another is called server. Now see, this is a very important point I want to discuss. Desktop, server, reader, public. Now the two online, another version is called Tableau Mobile. Tableau Mobile and Tableau Online. अभी हमारे पास 6 product already available है. In Tableau Desktop, you prepare the chart, diagram, you can publish, and you can also take printout. This is more important. This is the main version. Tableau Server, this is only helps to publish a report on the online, and you can also visualize all the reports. For example, now we are COVID visualization. COVID data already hai. Or if you are going to Tableau Server, you have to know, you have seen all the COVID report, okay, on this Tableau Server. What is table reader? You just read the PDF images or PDF reports on the table reader, and this is the free version, Tableau public. Here one problem is that you can do all the tables, all the diagram, all the graph, but you cannot save it. You cannot take print out. Okay, then what I will do? You take the print screen and save and accordingly you print it. So now there are two things very important. One, the main version is called Tableau Desktop, and you can download this Tableau public forever. But it means आपका सारा काम public में कर सकते हो, but problem is you cannot save and you cannot take print out.
Sir, if we are unable to save the work, then what is the need of using
Very
public?
good. Now see, if you have a money, you can purchase the Tableau Desktop. If you don't have money, then you do the Tableau public, take the print screen, okay, इसको control print screen करो, word में paste करो, and वहाँ edit करो, okay, result आपको आ जाएगा, okay, but यहाँ पर directly हम save कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर print screen लेके करना पड़ेगा. There another is called Tableau Mobile. If you are Android applications and if you download Tableau Mobile also, you can do all the analysis through your mobile also. And we are having called Tableau Online. Those who want to do some images and diagram and graph or report, they can use Tableau Online. It is also free. So it is up to you whether you go for desktop or server or reader, or you can go for public like this. So in Tableau software, it is very fast, it is cost effective. Everyone can be used. It is easy to operate. It is secure, and you can use this software everywhere. Okay. Now, so when you open this Tableau software, okay, you find this type of image where you got this is called. Okay. The most important part is you can connect your data, either Excel, SPSS, SAP, Stata, PDF, and lot of database. Suppose आपके Google Doc में कुछ questionnaire बनाया है, and you want to analyze that, directly you can import into Tableau and can analyze. So Google Doc हो सकता है, Google Analytics हो सकता है, okay, and any Amazon data हो सकता है, Google Analytics होता है, okay, SQL server. So any server you can take the data from this. So one thing very important, please remember, when you enter your data, the data is divided into two types. What are they? One is called dimension, and another is called measure. What is dimension? Dimension means all alphabetical data are called dimension, and all the numbers are called the measures. Automatically divided two parts. So whenever you do any analysis, first you should know what are the dimension and what are the measures. Suppose the country information about the different country. इसमें आएगा dimensional measure. Can you say, can you say qualitative data are under dimensional? Listen, qualitative data is two types. Suppose I want to find out the brand, and okay, brand is HCL, Lenovo, HP. These are the brand, and its rating होगा 1 to 5. So the brand is coming under dimension, rating coming under measures. Suppose brand, quality, price, these all are called dimensions, and its value coming under the measures. एक्सेल हम लोग क्या करते थे, लिखते थे ब्रांड, लिखते थे एक कॉलम में, एक कॉलम इसका वैल्यू लिखते थे, दो कॉलम होता था ना, यहाँ पर वो दो कॉलम दो डिवाइड कर देगा, ब्रांड चला जाएगा डायमेंशन में एंड वैल्यू चला जाएगा मेजर में. Now when the first step is to connect your data. So when you now there are 6 type of data available in Tableau. First, there is a textual data. Second, there is date data. Third, date and timing. Fourth, numerical value. Second, Boolean value. What is Boolean value? True and false. Okay, when you have data true and false, that is coming under Boolean data. And fifth one is geographical. So how many data we are having? Totally हम जब एनालिसिस करते हैं तो यहाँ 6 डाटा यूज करते हैं. एक तो टेक्स्ट फाइल, टेक्स्ट वैल्यू, डेट एंड टाइम, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज, बुलियन वैल्यूज. व्हाट इज बुलियन वैल्यूज? बुलियन वैल्यूज मींस ट्रू एंड फॉल्स क्वेश्चन. ओके. सेकंड, ज्योग्राफिकल वैल्यू. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑटोमेटिकली टेबलू क्या करेगा, जो डाटा आपने एक्सेल से कन्वर्ट करोगे वो अंडरस्टैंड करेगा. अगर टाइम होगा तो टाइम में ले लेगा, डेट होगा तो डेट में ले लेगा, न्यूमेरिक्स होगा तो न्यूमेरिक्स में जाएगा, एंड टेक्स्ट होगा टेक्स्ट में जाएगा. तो दिस इज द powerful. That is why it is called BI sub. In the left hand side, we have called connect. It means you can connect any data. First is called Excel data. There is called server. So if any data is table server, like in COVID data already server में आता है. Directly click करोगे, you can analyze. You can analyze the Excel data, text file, SS file, PDF file, more statistical file. Statistical file means SPSS. Okay, like this SPSS data, SAS, R file. Then you can also connect your data through questionnaire बना रहे हो, and that directly you can access that Google Sheet by clicking this one. If you are having data in the Google Analytics with information, say you can just connect your data. So the most important thing is that you can connect your data, okay, whether from your own sources, your laptop, or from any server or any database. So let's start. Please click Excel, everybody. Now I have given one data is called Superstore because this is the number of information. मैं 3 क्लास इसको पढ़ाऊंगा और लास्ट क्लास HR में इसको कन्वर्ट करूंगा. Because once you practice, then you can do simultaneously. So please click Superstore. Clear? Now ये इस तरह से डाटा आएगा आपके पास. Now see, left side there are 3 sheet. One is called order, return and users. ये क्या एक्सेल में हमारा 3 शीट होता है ना, शीट 1, शीट 2, शीट 3. तो हमारा सिमिलरली अभी तीनों शीट यहाँ पर शो कर रहा है. एक्सेल का 3 एक शीट में है ऑर्डर डाटा, एक शीट में है रिटर्न डाटा, एक शीट में है यूजर डाटा. So the most important thing and good thing about Tableau, you can integrate all the sheet together. Subject to there should be a common ID. For an example, suppose you are a faculty and you are head of the department. आपका मार्केटिंग का स्टूडेंट का मार्केटिंग रिजल्ट आ रहा है, फाइनेंस का पेपर भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है, HR का आ रहा है. तो 3 शीट में रोल नंबर मार्केटिंग स्कोर, रोल नंबर HR स्कोर, रोल नंबर फाइनेंस स्कोर आ रहा है. एंड आई वांट टू इंटीग्रेटेड ऑल द 3 थिंग्स. कब हो सकता है? अगर तीनों का रोल नंबर अगर सेम होगा, ओके, तो एक कॉलम सेम होगा, देन यू कैन इंटीग्रेटेड. अगर एक कॉलम अगर तीनों में नहीं सेम होगा तो आप कैन नॉट इंटीग्रेटेड. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, please drag order into this window. Now see, जो ड्रैग किया तो सारा टेबल यहाँ पर ओपन हो गया, सारा एक्सेल ओपन हो गया. Now I want to integrate the second sheet together. So please drag here and leave it. ये ड्रैग करो और यहाँ जोड़ दो. ये क्या हुआ? आपका नंबर आया. ये नंबर आया, नंबर होगा का शार्प ऑप्शन आ रहा है, डेट का सिंबल आ रहा है, कैलेंडर का सिंबल आ रहा है, अल्फाबेटिकल ABC सिंबल आ रहा है, and all the numbers are sharp. All the information divided into 2 parts. One is dimensions and measures. So all the, for example, ABC, calendar, and all the information related to dimension and all the values. For example, जहाँ पर sharp का symbol होगा, वो सारा आपको ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा मेजर में. This is measure. This is called dimension. Now, first write down. I will draw the diagram. 1 dimension and 1 measure. 1 dimension and 1 measure. Just एक नोट करो and साथ में मिलके करेंगे. So I will first drag segment. 1 dimension is here, and drag sales figure is here. What is my objective? I want to find out the sales of different segment. तो आप HR भी कर सकते हो. Number of employees of different department. This is called 1 dimension and 1 measure. These are the dimension. These are the measures. Clear? ना इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है? इसमें वैल्यू शो नहीं हो रहा है. हो रहा है क्या? वैल्यू शो हो रहा है क्या? Yes or no? No. You can change. For example, I'll explain. इससे नहीं, हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है. सपोज मैं सेगमेंट को यहाँ ले रहा हूँ एंड सेल्स को इधर ले रहा हूँ. See the difference? It will be now vertical. That is up to you. Okay. So you can. Now another thing is that I prepared a diagram, but I don't know the exactly value. So please do one thing, everybody. Please click cell into the label. हो गया? Label means सारा information within table आ जाएगा, within graph आ जाएगा. तो मैंने क्या किया, प्लीज क्लिक सेल, ड्रैग सेल्स इनटू द लेबल. Now, second thing, I want to know 2 dimension and 1 and measure. Please drag the cell and put into the label. तो आपका लेबल में वैल्यू आ जाएगा. Now next I want both. I want the sales of customer segment and product category. So write down 2 dimension and 1 measure. Write down 2 dimension and 1 measure. So what I will do, just I drag product category and paste here. इसमें क्या देखा आपने, कंज्यूमर सेगमेंट में क्या प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है, कस्टमर सेगमेंट में क्या प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है, होम ऑफिस में the products are 3: furniture, office and technology, and now they divided according to the different segment. Now next I want to find out 2 dimension and 2 measure. मैं चाहता हूं sales value and profit value of both the things. सबका इतना हो गया क्या? What is the first objective? I want to find out the profit and sales of different segment and different product category. Now, how you can apply in HR? I want to find out the number of absents within different departments, okay, and with different managers. Can you carry it out? आपका absent का value number major में रहेगा, department आपका dimension में रहेगा, and category में रहेगा. Automatically you can track. Now, I want to find out. Yeah, any question?
Profit and sales will come in one by one.
Profit and sales?
The upper screen sales and then again it is profit.
सर समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्या बोल रहे हैं सर.
He is saying both are coming separate individually, profit and sales.
No. If you, for example, you drag the profit and put into the column, automatically you see these are the profit, these are the sales within consumer segment. I know that these are the furniture sales हुआ इतना 1,12,000 and इतना profit हो रहा है. Within customer office में इतना sales हुआ, इतना profit हुआ. So I know the profit of different categories. Then I want to know the product subcategory also. Now see the very good picture. तो all means कंज्यूमर का फर्नीचर में क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट था, कितना प्रॉफिट कितना लॉस, कंज्यूमर में ऑफिस में कितना प्रोडक्ट कितना सप्लाई था, लाइक दिस. These are all the numbers. I want to convert into percentage. So what you will do is सेल्स है ना यहाँ पर, इसको यहाँ पर एक there is called quick table calculation. Now सबका यहाँ पर आ गया देखो तो quick table calculation. Click sum of sales. वहाँ पर एक एरो मार्क आएगा, उसको आएगा क्विक टेबल कैलकुलेशन. देन राइट डाउन परसेंटेज ऑफ टोटल. यू कन्वर्ट इनटू द परसेंटेज. ऑटोमेटिकली यू सी द परसेंटेज, ऑल द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज यू विल गेट. नाउ आई वांट टू मेक कलरफुल. मुझे इसको ऑल कलरफुल करना है क्योंकि मुझे सारा कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है एंड मुझे बहुत क्लमजी लग रहा है. आई वांट टू चेंज दैट कलर. तो कलर किसको करना है, मुझे सेल्स को कलर करना है. तो सेल्स को ड्रैग करो एंड पुट इनटू द कलर. ये कलर लिखा है ना यहाँ पर, कलर आ गया, बट अभी भी मुझे कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. व्हाट आई विल डू, यहाँ पर एक कलर का बार मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पर क्लिक करो, एडिट कलर एंड चेंज द कलर to find the colors. It means जो ब्लू होगा वो हाई है, जो रेड होगा वो लो आ रहा है. ऑटोमेटिकली कलर आपका आ गया. तो द फर्स्ट डायग्राम हैव डन कि प्रॉफिट एंड सेल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी, इट्स सब कैटेगरी एंड विद इन कस्टमर सेगमेंट. तो कैन यू कन्वर्ट इनटू द एचआर? रत्नाकर सर एक बताओ इसको कैसे एचआर में कर सकते हैं. आई वांट टू नो द नंबर ऑफ एब्सेंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट of different category of employee. कर सकते हैं ना नहीं?
The same manner we can do it.
Yeah, that's because मैं अभी क्या होना डायरेक्टली करने के बाद लास्ट पीरियड आई विल कन्वर्ट इनटू द एचआर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो आपको जब मैं कॉन्सेप्ट दूंगा तो आप डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. दैट इज माय ऑब्जेक्टिव. ओके, वंस यू ड्रॉ, जस्ट शीट 1 को रीनेम कर दीजिए. रीनेम, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉफिट एंड सेल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. तो हमारा फर्स्ट शीट रेडी हो गया. Any doubt? So we have gone 1 dimension, 1 measure, 2 dimension, 2 measure, and 2 dimension, 3 measure. So we prepared first worksheet. Please click the second sheet number 2. जितना sheet अभी हम एक-एक करते रहेंगे. अभी sheet 2 में I want to find out the customer segment, profit, and sales and discount. Can you carry out sales and discount of different customer segment? What is the objective? Customer segment. Then I will go for sales and discount. Okay, this much only. What next? Anybody? You can explain how to give numbers and colorful.
Track sales into label.
Track sales into the label. Okay. Then
yeah, discount also. Okay. Oh,
discount into the color or label.
Label will be fine. Label already came, sir.
Okay, now in color. Okay. Now we can change the color and go to the edit color, and based upon 5 or 6, whatever you think, you do that. Clear? Now, another thing, now go to the next part. I can convert this diagram into different way. यहाँ पर दो चीज आ रहा है, देखो क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर, swap row and column आ रहा है ना. Just click that. तो click करोगे. Now see your diagram will be changed from row to column. Again, there are another two icons there. One is called ascending and descending. If you click this ascending order, automatically आपका ascending में आ जाएगा. If you click descending order, automatically descending order आ जाएगा. Go to the show me. यहाँ पर show me आ रहा है, देखो. Okay. Now there are different diagrams you can carry out. Please click this one. This is called pegged bubble. Now we can convert all these things to pegged bubble. Otherwise, इसको एक काम हो, इसको सेव कर दो. I will go by this next one. सेव कर दो, इसको rename कर दो. This is called discount. Now go to the third sheet. Okay. I have to find out products which sales का सब कैटेगरी में सबसे हाईएस्ट किसका है. I don't go by bar diagram. I want to have different diagram. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, write down, prepare bubble chart. इसके बाद मैं एडिटिंग ऑप्शन में आऊंगा. Go to the product सब कैटेगरी, go to the sales into the this one, and just click the bubble. Now you have seen all the informations are coming. मुझे यहाँ पर देखा नहीं जा रहा है कि numbers, how to input numbers. Anybody?
The label again. Drag into label.
Very good. Drag into label. I got the numbers. I want to convert into percentage. How to do that? Just click sales, quick table calculation, percentage total. Now I got this figure. And I want to explain product category wise. So मैं product category wise करूँगा, automatically now see divide into 3 part. Furniture में, product category में, and technology में. ये समझ आ रहा है? एक चीज बताओ, Excel में से ग्राफ कर सकते हैं क्या?
Excel, these sort of charts are not available, ना? Bubble charts.
ना, हो सकता है pivot table में फॉर्मूला डालना पड़ेगा. But यहाँ पर तो click and get.
हाँ, this is quite easy.
But one thing remember, what exactly in your mind, उसको convert करना एक्शन में. अभी यहाँ पर मैं HR में कर सकता हूँ, तो मुझे लगेगा कि कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट ज्यादा छुट्टी ले रहा है, ऑटोमेटिकली पता लग जाएगा. लीव का बस सैलरी किसको ज्यादा जा रहा है, बस GPF किसका पास ज्यादा है, बस नहीं तो कौन इसका रेटिंग कैसा है. I can convert everything into this bubble chart. Now write down sheet number 3. Rename. इसको क्या नाम दे रहा हूं मैं? ये क्या मेरा है? बबल sales. Now go to the next sheet. Dr. Anjana, you are asking how did you get product category wise? कुछ नहीं करना है, product category को drag करो and column में put करो, automatically divided into 3 parts. And if you again, मुझे चाहता हूँ कि segment wise also, okay, automatically आ जाएगा, but it will not give any good picture. Okay, so it is up to you. You can convert into the swap भी कर सकते हो, ascending descending भी कर सकते हो, descending भी कर सकते हो, और swap भी कर सकते हो. Now go to the next one. Now मुझे भी क्या करना है, filter करना है. I go for filter option. मुझे मेरे पास 500 employees है, 500 products है. मुझे सारे का sales नहीं चाहिए, मुझे selected चाहिए. Top 10, lowest 10, average 10. The product name with A, like this. I want to filter. So next write down filter option. So just write down product subcategory into the column and sales into the row. Okay. Now sales into the label. Now मुझे जितने product मेरे पास आ गया है, सारे product available है, but I don't want all. I want top 5 sales. Then do please click product subcategory into the filter. एक filter option यहाँ पर आ रहा है ना? यहाँ पर आ रहा है ना subcategory? Now please click edit filter. यहाँ पर 4 चीजें हैं: general, wildcard, condition and top. Clear?
Yes, sir.
General means अगर मुझे अप्लायंस नहीं चाहिए, चेक नहीं चाहिए, एनवलप नहीं चाहिए, ई डिपार्टमेंट नहीं चाहिए, so like this I can customize. ऐसे okay, automatically मुझे वो चीज आएगा. Now go to the next option, how to use wildcard. Now suppose I am having 500 employee. I want to know कि A जो name starts with A, इनका डाटा चाहिए. तो क्या करूँगा? Starts with, write down A, okay. नॉर्मली एक प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास अवेलेबल है. तो अगर आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन मोर देन 1000 2000 है, इफ यू गो फॉर वाइल्ड कार्ड, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट दोज नेम स्टार्ट्स विद ए. सेकंड, गो टू द वाइल्ड कार्ड. आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट स्टार्ट्स विद सी. नाउ सी देयर आर 3 थिंग्स स्टार्ट्स विद सी. नाउ गो टू द अगेन एडिट ऑप्शन, एडिट फिल्टर, आई वाइल्ड कार्ड. आई वांट एंड्स विद, मतलब मुझे चाहता हूं जिसका नाम Y में खत्म हो रहा है, बट S में खत्म हो रहा है, वही चाहिए मुझे. ये सारा प्रोडक्ट S में खत्म हो रहा है. तो ये HR में कैसे यूज करोगे? Anybody you can explain me how can you use this wildcard in your HR analysis? Suppose again I'll do the मैं क्लिक कर रहा हूँ एडिट फिल्टर. मैं चाहता हूँ वाइल्ड कार्ड एग्जैक्टली मैचेस. मैं चाहता हूँ सरोज है क्या यहाँ पर, तो सरोज टाइप करूंगा, ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. ओके, देन गो टू द कंडीशन. आई वांट द कंडीशन बाय फील्ड. आई वांट सेल्स ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट सेल्स ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 400. I got those values. So it means sometimes you can also use this filter option, condition, that is greater than, less than, equal to. You can filter that. Okay. The most important thing is top. In top, I want top 5. I want top 5 sales. Product subcategory. Then top, I want top 5. Clear? You can find out top 5, top left, like this. Or you can go by, I want to find out edit, filter, top, or you can go top or bottom 5. So अगर मेरे पास 500 employee है, I want to know who are the people who taken more leaves. more than 10 leaves. You can carry it out. You can find out. Or who is the better employee? Top 5 salesmen कौन है? Top 5 performer कौन है? Bottom 5, bottom 10. You can do anything. Now, then write down how to convert graph into table. So what we'll do? Okay, just go to the show me click करिए तो यहाँ पर एक टेबल ऑप्शन होगा लास्ट क्लिक कर दीजिए now you got everything in table. For example, I want to find out customer segment, then discount, profit and discount. These are the informations and I want to convert a table. Automatically got this table. Or you can also convert different charts like this. Okay. I will explain later on. So now I go for this graph. Write down table. Up. Okay. Now write down the use of parametric. Next is use of parametric filtering. Okay. Just go to product subcategory and I am having sales. I want to sales into the label. Then please click product subcategory into the filter. Go to the top. Go by field. यहाँ पर होगा parametric. Create a new parameter. इतना हो गया आप लोग का. Click that. Now here I want minimum 1 to 30. Okay. कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay करना है. Apply. Now see, आपको राइट हैंड में एक पैरामीटर आ रहा है. ऑटोमेटिकली 1 2 3 देखो जिसका स्लाइड बार आ गया है. जितना आप स्लाइड करते रहोगे बेस्ट 20 बेस्ट 10 बेस्ट 13 ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. I want 21 employees. I want 15 like this. This is called parametric filtering. Can you apply this concept in HR? Anybody? Suppose मुझे total information आ गया, मैं चाहता हूँ बेस्ट 30 को मैं प्रमोट करूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली पैरामेट्रिक करूंगा and I should know कि जैसे आपको देखा ना क्रिकेट मैच में फर्स्ट ओवर में कितना स्कोर हुआ, सेकंड में कितना हुआ, थर्ड में कितना हुआ, like this they can do that like this. Now next write down how to create group. Suppose मेरा पास 500 स्टूडेंट है and मुझे क्या करना है 500 का पहले डाटा निकाल लिया. Then I would create a group. Top 10 student a group, but top 20 student next group, top next 30 student another group. So how to create a group? For example, यहाँ पर डाटा है product subcategory and sales. मुझे क्या करना है? I want to create these 5 in one group, these 5 is another group, and last is another group. मुझे तीनों नहीं चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए lowest 5, middle 5, and top 5. कोई ग्रुप बनाना है. I want this. I want to create a group. Okay, automatically एक group में आ जाएगा. Then I can write down, rename कर सकता हूँ. दूसरा करेंगे 1 2 3 4 इसको ग्रुप बनाऊंगा एवरेज एंड लास्ट वन क्रिएट 3 ग्रुप्स. इसमें सारा चीज आ गया. कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड सारा प्रोडक्ट इसमें आ गया, अप्लायंस का सारा प्रोडक्ट इसमें आ गया एंड कॉपियर का सारा प्रोडक्ट इसमें आ गया. तो मतलब वन कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट, appliance related product and stationery product. So accordingly I prepared a group. तो इसको हाईलाइट कर देखो. इसमें क्या अप्लायंस, बाइंडर, बाइंडर एक्सेसरी, बुक केस एंड 6 और टोटल सेल्स मेरे पास आ गया. I got total sales. Now ये कब करोगे? तो डिपार्टमेंट वाइज को कन्वर्ट करना है. You can create a group. Now next, write down different charts. Product subcategory and sales. दो फिगर ले रहा हूँ. Now see, please click show me. Show me क्लिक करिए. I want different diagram. यहाँ पर व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन, इसको बोलते हैं हिट मैप. इसको क्लिक करो. आई गॉट द हिट मैप. एनी डाउट? आई कैन कन्वर्ट द डिफरेंट डायग्राम्स. प्लीज गो टू शो मी. दिस इज कॉल्ड हिट मैप. यू कैन अरेंज द डाटा आल्सो. You know most sales office, then table, then telephonic, and last for rubber brand. You can go for next one, highlight tables. Which is the highlight tables. With the highest one, you got this one. You can convert into tree map. Okay, so if you have all the informations, then you can convert into this map.
This is tree map.
This is called tree map.
Right.
You can convert into percentage also. Quick table calculation, percentage. You got this percentage. You can convert into color also. Edit color. Step type color. You see the highest one is green. Green side arrow है ना? Automatically you can show this. So we cleared that the office machinery is high sales followed by table. Automatically ये इस तरह से आएगा. अभी बताओ ये ग्राफ हो सकता है कैसा? We can also convert into the scatter plot. What is doesn't give any clear picture. I can go bubble plot. I can go for heat map. I can go for cluster. I can go for this one heat map, or I can go for table also. It is up to you. Now let's start preparing dashboard. Or before that, I want to do another graph. Can you draw the diagram graph of product category, priority, subcategory, customer, and out product category, product subcategory, within customer segment, product number, product name, sales, ratio, and profit. बहुत प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, इसको हटा रहा हूं. Then profit into the color and sales into the label like this. You can convert different parts, like you can prepare box plot. You can prepare this one, or you can prepare that. You can prepare box plot also. In box plot, you know this is the median, this is the minimum value, maximum value. So you can analyze the box plot also. There is one diagram I left, and it's called funnel chart. Write down funnel chart. So what I'll do, please click sales into the row, then product category into the size. Okay, then sales into the label. This is called funnel chart. Go the entire view. And product category into the color. Then you can convert into percentage. How can do that? Go to the click karo, quick table calculation. I want percentage of total. Convert. कलर कोड यहाँ पर आ रहा है, देखो साइड में देखो फर्नीचर का, सप्लायर का, यू कैन डू दैट। नाउ द लास्ट वन इज आई वांट टू प्रिपेयर डैशबोर्ड, तो लिखा गया न्यू डैशबोर्ड, क्लिक दैट। नाउ जितना भी सीट आया है यहां पर आ रहा है, तो मुझे सीट को ड्रैग करके यहां रखना है। क्लियर? 2-3 डैशबोर्ड बना सकते हो और एक भी बना सकते हो, डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर। Once you done that, then go to the presentation view. Now, another dashboard. Please drag profit and sales, and where you want to put your story. I want to put here. Then I want to create bubble chart यहाँ पर, ठीक है? Then I want to find parameter यहाँ पर, मुझे 3 चीज लेना है, और I want to create a table also here. तो मुझे ये चारों चीज को एक्सप्लेन करना है during my presentation or a report. Once you done that, there is called presentation mode. You just click. Now see, it is a combination of chart and diagrams, nothing else. Now उसको सेव कर दो, file, save as. I can save this output. I can save the entire output. I can go for export as a PowerPoint. इसको export as PowerPoint कर सकता हूँ. PowerPoint में मेरी presentation हो सकती है. Then I can present there only. Then go to the file. You can share also. I'll explain the second part, how to share this thing in your community. You can take print to PDF. You can do print out. So now I will go for the last one. This live data. Now अभी मैं क्या बताना जा रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुन लीजिए। सपोज आपने डाटा कलेक्ट किया आज ने आपने डायग्राम बना लिया, कल नया चीज कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड कर रहे हो एक्सेल में, ठीक है? दोबारा डाटा ग्राफ करना पड़ेगा। इज इट क्लियर? सपोज यू आर इन स्टार, आज आपने इंफॉर्मेशन एब्सेंटिज्म का डाल के ग्राफ कर लिया, कल आपके पास न्यू फिगर आ रहा है, just change in Excel. So do you think again you have to go for the graph? Not required. So once you are having data in Excel, any change in Excel, the automatically graph will be changed. That is called live data. Now see, can I proceed?
Yes, yes.
ये डाटा मेरे पास है, ग्वालियर, इंदौर, जबलपुर, छोटा सा इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे पास है। अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ Tableau. Now see the two things, live and extract. देखा जा रहा है ना?
Okay.
Live means अगर आप इसको क्लिक करोगे, anything you change in Excel, automatically यहाँ पर diagram change हो जाएगा. If you take extract, then any extract you have taken from different sources, then it will update it. But I will go for live. Okay, please remember, आपको डाटा एक बार एनालिसिस कर रहे हो, not necessary that again you do the graph. Any change in Excel automatically will change. I will explain. What is the first step? When you export data, please see whether my data connected live or extract. Always I told go to live. Then मैंने क्या किया, शिफ्टी एंड सेल्स का डाटा ले लिया, ठीक है? सो थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. Now see, entire diagram I have done. Okay. Now I'm going to the Excel. यहाँ पर कितना 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 15 है. अब एक्सेल में मैं एक नाम ले रहा हूँ, आज मेरा डाटा आया, एक कोई भी एक नाम बताओ सर, कोई भी एक नाम बताओ एक्सेल में जो चेंज कर रहा हूँ, एक नाम बताओ सर.
रमेश.
नहीं सिटी का.
ग्वालियर
ऑलरेडी है.
ओके. भुवनेश्वर
भी है. लखनऊ. Okay, I will use Lucknow. I just changed some of information here. Lucknow and 12045. Once go to save, तो सेव कर दीजिए, वरना मैंने यहाँ सेव कर दिया. अभी मैं डायग्राम में जा रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं करना है. Go to Excel.
this is linked.
नाउ सी, मैंने अभी मेरे पास आ रहा है क्या, लखनऊ आ रहा है क्या?
लखनऊ
नहीं आ रहा है। तो
No.
अभी इस सीट में जाके राइट क्लिक करो एंड रिफ्रेश। नाउ सी, लखनऊ आ गया। मतलब एनी इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेल में अपडेट करोगे, देन डायग्राम आने के बाद उस डायग्राम में वहां डाटा शीट शो हो रहा है, अभी राइट क्लिक करो एंड जस्ट रिफ्रेश इट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो इंफॉर्मेशन अपडेट हो जाएगी।
both the software must be parallelly open.
नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। एक्सेल में करने के बाद सुबह दिन भर आपने अपडेट कर लिया, सेव कर लिया, शाम को डायग्राम में जाओ, आपका शीट में जाओ एंड रिफ्रेश करो, यू गॉट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन।
Okay.
दैट इज द गुड थिंग। जितना भी आपका सीट होगा ना, पूरा सीट डैशबोर्ड सारा चेंज हो जाएगा। यू जस्ट रिफ्रेश इट, यहाँ पर रिफ्रेश करना।
So thank you all dear participants. Now we are closing the morning session of the FDP. Thank you.